Sant Esteve Church is a Gothic-style building. It was consecrated in 1339 and finished a century later, replacing an earlier building that was documented since the 10th century. This building has a single nave with pointed barrel vault and side chapels converted in naves after a fire in 1753. The portals that are profane-themed were created by Pellicer's sculptor. Some artistic works from different periods are preserved inside: a silver Byzantine cross, the remains of the ancient Baroque altar, and some neoclassical murals in the Chapel of the Blessed. Another prominent landmark is Pont de la Vila. This bridge is medieval style made and consists of two arches. It is located near the old city walls, providing an access to the core beneath the church of Sant Esteve. The bridge is over the river Vastreny, a major tributary of the Llobregat, that springs at a height of 1,077 meters in the sources of Odó, also known as Vastreny sources. They are located in the municipality of Gisclareny, the neighboring village that has also access from Bagà. During the Middle Ages, one of the main economic activities of the village was the production of flour and rags. For this purpose, two mills were built to take advantage of the Vastreny water power for mining. Already in the 19th century, the river and water power were harnessed in industrial applications.